Hey guys, Colin, we're still here. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a for loop. Alright, so this one's pretty simple as well. Pretty much you just start out with for, and then it's pretty standard to use I for your int. You'll create your initial int, so int I, and you set it to whatever value. In this case we're going to do 0, and then we're going to go ahead and the next section paste how long we're going to want it to run. So I'm going to want it to do 10 iterations, so starting at I0 while I is less than 10, so that'll run it 10 times. It's going to add 1. So pretty much at I equals 0, that's where it starts. It's going to run whatever's in these brackets while I is less than 10, and then every time it does that, it's going to add 1 to I. So here we're going to print out, hello, this is run number, and we're going to do plus I, and then we're going to go ahead and do another plus. So it should print out, hello, this is run number 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. I'm going to go and run it. Yep, and as you can see it does, hello, this is run number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that is how you create a for loop. Thank you for watching. I hope you all have a great day.